If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes. Also, click on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload a new recipe on the channel.
Hello, Namaste. All of us are aware of sandwiches. We like to have sandwiches for our breakfast, lunch boxes, or we enjoy with our tea and coffee. But many sandwiches need a lot of preparation and cooking time. But today the sandwich that I'm going to share gets ready under 5 minutes. Even kids can do it.
Please note the ingredients needed to make veg mayo sandwich. List of all the ingredients and some special tips is given in description below. Don't forget to check. Now to start, finely chop the vegetables, that is cabbage or patta gobi, carrot or gajar, bell peppers or shimla mirch. Put them in a bowl. The smaller you chop, the better sandwich tastes. Add in mayonnaise of your choice. Little bit of salt or namak. Black pepper or kali mirch powder. Freshly grated black pepper powder tastes best in this particular sandwich. Now mix everything nicely in the bowl. And the stuffing mixture should look like a paste, somewhat thick like this. Means it should not be runny. Now take bread of your choice. Remove the edges. And please do not throw these edges the size of the bread, because soon I will share a very nice garlic breadstick recipe with them. Now to assemble, take little bit of butter or makhan, about half teaspoon on each slice is sufficient, but add more if you love. Take 2 to 3 teaspoon of stuffing mixture and put over one slice. Put other slice over this, the butter face down. Press gently and using a sharp knife cut the sandwich into two. So, great sandwiches ready in under 5 minutes. Enjoy them in your lunchbox with tea, coffee or breakfast time. So this was an easy recipe, right? Even kids can make it. And need not warm it before eating. Enjoy them cold. Thanks for watching.